Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So 9 divided by 9 is equal to 1. Again 9 divided by 9 is equal to 1. Now 1 divided by 1 is equal to also 1. But this answer is not correct. Okay. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using PEMDAS rule. So PEMDAS means first priority is parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication, division both have same priority, and then addition and subtraction both have same priority. Okay, therefore we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so here is a division, here is division, and also division. Therefore we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, now 9 divide 9. First we have to solve this part because we have to move from left to right. 9 divided by 9 is equal to 1 divide 9 divide 9. Now we have to solve this part. Okay. So 1 divide 9 is equal to, we can write as 1 by 9 divide 9. Now according to KCF rule, change the sign and flip the fraction. So keep the first fraction as it is same, therefore 1 by 9. Now C means change the sign from division to multiplication, and F means flip this second fraction. Okay, therefore 1 by 9 is equal to 1 multiply 1 is equal to 1, and 9 multiply 9 is equal to 81. Therefore the correct answer is 1 by 81. Okay, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel. Thanks for watching the video.